Hi, if you want to share Safari tab groups on iPhone 16e, then firstly, open Safari. Now, on the start page, you need to click to square icon to open your tabs. So, I have already created this tab group and named it as tutorial, but let me show you how to create this tab group step by step. So, for example, I got 4 tabs right now. I need to tap those lines on the bottom and I can create group with those 4 tabs, or you can simply click new empty tab group. I'm gonna create with the help of my 4 tabs and name it, for example, as devices and save it with this way. So this is how it looks now. And to share this tab group, I can click this icon and choose where I want to send it. For example, I can send it with the help of iMessage and click this arrow to confirm. And we just shared this tab group. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.